Welcome to Raise the Standard. Raise the Standard is a challenge to every Kenyan to stop settling for mediocrity. For the longest time, Kenyans as a people have accepted that mediocrity is the norm. So you'd hear statements like, Wakenya bana, what can we do? You'd see people throwing up their hands, shrugging their shoulders, because we are afraid to raise the standard. But in order for the standard to be raised, we need to have a standard. We need to know what the standard is. Let me give you an example. You cannot tell a fake note if you have never seen a real one. So do we know what things are real, Kenyans? This is what we are talking about when we say raise the standards. In politics, we're just about to go into an election. People will come to us with promises, some of which, if you look at them at a cursory glance, you can tell this is never going to happen. But for those of us who do not know any better, we will accept any pledge without knowing how it is going to be attained. So what is our challenge? Let us go back to the books. Let us go and see what powers are granted to a president. What does the Constitution say about what a deputy president can do? How about the governors? Do you know what is in their hands to do or what they cannot do? What about MCAs, women's reps, senators, so that before I can agree to vote for you because you will build me a high-class school, I need to find out, is there a budget in your powers for building a school? How are you going to bring that about? And if you have questions, ask, so that after the voting is done, you know, I voted for Mr. X, and with what the Constitution provides for him, he shall be able to do what he said. Let's not settle for mediocre. No more average Kenyans. Raise the standard. Let us raise the standard. No more poor. No more average. We're shooting for excellence. Raise the standard.